Hey, I'm Simon. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the diverter motor shaft seal on your LG dishwasher. If you have been experiencing problems like water leakage underneath the unit, the drain pump starts running in the middle of the cycle and won't stop, it might be time to check or replace this part. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful appliance repair guides. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you to do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For this job, we're going to need a power tool with a Phillips bead, a flat blade screwdriver, a pair of needle nose pliers, and a short Phillips screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Don't forget to unplug your dishwasher or turn the breaker off. And just to be on the safe side, turn the water supply off. The diverter motor operates by the PCB, switches water flow between the spray arms, washing dishes in all 3 racks. Open the door and remove 2 Phillips screws at the top mounting brackets. Pull out the dishwasher and leave the installation on the left. We need to do a visual check of the diverter motor to see if there's any water presence. It's located inside the base, near the circulation pump. Usually, the leak starts as the shaft seal slowly deteriorates. You should be able to see the runs and discoloration and water drops on the diverter motor itself and around it. It's a strong sign of a failed shaft seal. My recommendations are to replace the diverter motor if it has corrosion signs, together with the shaft seal. Now we need to do a few steps in order to get to the shaft seal. Open the door and using the Phillips screwdriver, remove 4 long screws on the top and then 6 on the sides and separate the outer and the inner doors. Don't run away with the other door yet. There is still a plug in the upper left corner that needs to be disconnected. Remove a Phillips screw from the bottom right of the vent duct. Tilt the dishwasher back and jam it under the counter. Take out 2 Phillips screws and remove the kick panel. Another 2 Phillips screws out and remove the front cover panel. Put the dishwasher down. Open the door and using the needle nose pliers, carefully not to break, turn the water grill inlet counterclockwise to free it. Pull the water inlet housing out of the opening. Using the flat blade screwdriver, remove the water valve plug. And using the needle nose pliers, remove both door cables. It's time to put the dishwasher on its back. Slide the base just a bit out, disconnect the drain pump plug and the diverter motor plug. Take 2 Phillips screws out and slide the motor out. Remove the old seal. This is the old diverter motor shaft seal next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Slide the new seal onto the diverter motor shaft and install it in the opening. Match the holes and secure the motor with a couple of the Phillips screws. Connect the plug. Connect the drain pump plug. Push the base on. Install the front cover panel. Make sure the drain pan is on properly. And secure it with 2 Phillips screws. Place the kick panel on and secure it with 2 Phillips screws. Bring the dishwasher upright and install Phillips screws from the back to secure the base. Using the needle nose pliers, install both door cables on the door hinges. Connect the water valve plug. Insert the water inlet housing in the cutout, open the door and place on the grill and use the needle nose pliers to tighten it clockwise. Install the outer door, but first connect the harness. Hold the doors together and install 10 Phillips screws, 4 long ones on the top. Install the dishwasher under the counter and secure it to the countertop with a couple of Phillips screws. Turn the water on and plug the dishwasher in. And give yourself a round of applause. You did great! We showed you how to replace the diverter motor shaft seal on your LG dishwasher. The rest is up to you. We hope our guide was useful and made your job easier. Feel free to share your repair experience in the comments below. Your story might just help someone else. If you still need that new part, remember that AppliancePartsPros.com has got you covered. Just have your model number ready and make your order. Most orders arrive within a couple of days. Thanks for letting us be a part of your repair journey, and see you next time for another fix.